Today, we're looking at an add-on for our conveyor products, the bottom flap holding device. This device holds the box's bottom flaps together for filling before going through a box taper. Normally, when you make a box up and place it on the conveyors, the flaps can want to bounce around and spring up before it is filled. So the bottom flap holder kit solves that problem by holding those flaps together while you're filling it. You simply fold the flaps together and thread it over the rollers, which holds the box in place ready for filling. Once you've put your product in, you can close the top flaps and push it through to your box taper.